Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another in our lunchbox series. Last time we have given a rice. Let's see what's in my lunchbox today. I have chapatis and Kovakai or Tendli Sabji. Let's see how to make it. See, this is the vegetable. You just trim off the top and bottom of it, and then we'll cut it into nice thin long pieces like this. Make it so each Kovakai will be cut into minimum 6 slices like this, thin long slices. I have also sliced one onion and kept it ready. For making this, first we will make a simple dry masala. I am taking 3 dry red chillies and 2 tablespoons of this roasted gram or chutney dal. Dry roast it till the red chilli is well roasted. See, now we can switch this off and I'll remove it into my blender jar. To this I am adding 2 heaped teaspoons of fresh grated coconut. If you don't have fresh coconut, you can use the desiccated coconut also. When cool, we'll just make it into a powder using the pulse mode. Next, we'll heat a tablespoon of oil, and here I have 2 tablespoons of peanuts. We'll fry that. See, the peanuts are well roasted now. We'll drain it out and we'll keep it aside. Next, take 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds, a little bit of hing powder, when the dal is browned, add in the sliced onions to it and stir fry the onions. Now adding onions is optional. If some of you want to make it a no onion recipe also, you can make. Add some salt to this. The onions are done. We'll add in this sliced Kovakai, add a pinch of haldi powder, mix it all well together. Next, we'll just sprinkle 2 handfuls of water, cover it and cook it till done. Now we'll make some regular chapatis to go with this, to pack in our lunchbox. In between, just give it a good stir. And allow it to continue cooking. If required, you can sprinkle a little bit more of water on it. It depends on the quality of the vegetable. Nice tender ones will get cooked fast. Cook it on a medium flame. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's check the sabji. See, it has cooked well and all coming together. This is our ground masala. We can add it to this. Mix it well, allow it to cook for just a minute or so. Finally, we'll add some fresh curry leaves to this and top it up with these fried groundnuts. See, our tasty Tendli or Kovakai fry is now ready to be packed in our lunch box. Just allow it to cool a little and then put it in your lunch box. Now we are ready to pack our lunch box. We have our Kovakai Sabji and some chapatis to go with it. Our tasty lunch box of chapati and Tendli or Kovakai Sabji is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Do definitely try out this South Indian style of making this Tendli or Kovakai Sabji. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.